Billyjack on location, this time at the old hospital nursing home on northern Luiha Street, in an unauthorized area. Check out how high, on the north hand side, check out how high the mud has come to the roof of this building. Within 3 feet, right here on the corner. This is the old church hospital right next to me. Absolutely amazing. We have the dirt level this high up back here. You can see the original ground level. It's quite a ways below us, maybe 20, 25 feet. 20, 25 feet. All these buildings always seem to be some type of government related usage. I couldn't resist coming here to see this. I've seen it on Google Earth, and I drove by it a couple times. You have to sneak in here to get back here. Get the moisture out. There we go. Truly one of the last remaining pieces of the original mud flood you can see in Honolulu in 2025. Notice the unusual angle that all the trees are at right here. I'm not sure, but that big one right there, man, I don't know how these trees grow. I'm not familiar with this tree. Roots on top of the ground, that should tell you something. But I just had to come back here and do this. I was willing. To take the trespass charge to show this to y'all. This is absolutely incredible. There's a whole nother floor below us. This building has a whole nother floor underneath us. You know, this thing back here is so fascinating. I'd say it was an outhouse in a condescending or in a joking manner. I know the wind has been messing up my voice in these videos and people want to hear what I'm having to say about this stuff. This is the original ground level of the piers. You can see massive tree roots right there. This structure is so unusual. It'd be interesting to know what its original purpose was, or how high it was. Is it a pyramid looking thing? Those trees are old, man. All this is post-mud flood. Pre-mud flood. Post-mud flood. The wind's ripping here. Hope it's not interfering with this. What I have to say is not near as important as this terracing and people understanding what they're looking at this. Truly an awesome find. One of the last remaining areas you can see this in Honolulu. Nobody would have built nothing that way. Billyjack over and out on location on Northern Lookout Street behind the old church.